Hi, I'm Gazwan Kari and I'm a proud member of the European SharePoint community. In this video, you will learn how to enable incoming email on SharePoint 2013 document libraries. To do so, first we have to enable incoming email in central administration, and then we'll see how we can start receiving emails to your shared documents or document libraries. So let me switch to SharePoint 2013 Central Administration, and we're going to click on System Settings, and then from within System Settings we're going to click Configure Incoming Email Settings. If you do get this message from web page pop-up screen, what we need to do is configure the SMTP service on the server. So we're going to go ahead and click OK, cancel out from here. We're going to start Server Manager. We're going to go to Features, and we're going to add a feature. We're going to look for SMTP server. We're going to go ahead and add the required role services. We're going to click Next, 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 and we're going to go ahead and install. On the installation results page, make sure you get installation succeeded on all three items, and we're going to go ahead and click Close. We're going to close Server Manager, go back to our central administration, click on Configure Incoming Email Settings. Notice that we are no longer receiving that message pop-up screen. Next, to enable income email, we're going to go ahead and enable that. We're going to be using Windows SMTP service, so we're going to do automatic. If it was something else, we would go switch over to advanced. Directory server or directory management service, it's now configured to no, which means I do not want to create a contact object in Active Directory for my shared documents email address. If you do want to create a contacts object, switch this over to yes. I'm going to keep this as no. The email server display address is SharePoint 2013, in my case, .dellsoftware.sharepoint.com. I'm going to go ahead and grab this and put it in a notepad for now. This is going to be part of my email address. And we're going to say accept mail from all email servers, and we're going to go ahead and click OK. So we're done with this piece of it. Let's switch over to our document library. Okay, now we're going to go to our Documents document library. And we're going to go to Library Settings. And we're going to click on Income Email Settings. So the email address here will be, well, first of all, under Allow this document library to receive emails, we're going to switch this to yes. Email address will be documents at, so we're going to grab this, and this is going to be the remaining piece of the email address. This is what we're going to send an email to. We're going to save all attachments in root folder. There are other options for us to choose in here as well. We're going to save original email as well. This makes sure that we get the text body of the email in the document library. We're going to take everything as is, and we're going to click OK. So now this has been configured to receive emails. This document library has been configured to receive emails. Let me switch over to another machine that has Outlook on it and send an email to this document library. We're going to say email enablement test, and then we're going to attach a file. Let's go ahead and attach a file to this email. So let's go to attach file. We'll go to demo guide, and we'll go ahead and send an email to this document library. I think I called it documents. So let's go back. Let's look at the income email settings. I think I've called it documents. Yeah, here it is, documents. So this should receive emails now. So let's go back to the document library. And notice that a few seconds ago we have received an email enabled test, and here's the demo guide attachment itself, and here's the email enabled test. This concludes this video. Thanks for tuning in.